Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the terminal and confirming your environment. This gives you context for all next steps. First, open Terminal with Ctrl plus Alt plus T or the app launcher. Once done, check your shell with echo $shell and verify the kernel with uname so you know what tools behave like. Make sure to refresh package metadata now, sudo apt update. This prevents wasted installs. Finally, use whoami to verify your user before running commands as sudo so you avoid permission surprises. You now perform the core workflow, moving, editing, and managing processes. Use cd to change directories, lsla to inspect contents, and pwd to confirm location so you never work in the wrong folder. When editing, open nano for simplicity or vim for efficiency. Use touch to create files and chmod to set executable bits. For running services and processes, check ps-aux and top, and stop misbehaving tasks with kill pid, or manage services with systemtl status. You wrap up by ensuring software and network are healthy. Install or remove packages with sudo apt install and sudo apt remove. Use apt cache search to find package names. For connectivity check ping a host, use sstalmp to list open sockets and curl to fetch endpoints. This isolates network versus app issues. Once done, upgrade with sudo apt upgrade and tidy using sudo apt auto remove. If things still fail, examine logs in /var/log and journoctlz to diagnose the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.